Naghimo ta og salad mga auntie. I just miss eating guy. Maong na namiss jud na ko pagkita na ko ani na jud ko gahlang ganahan lagi ko magkilaw og guy. And this is it. No? Magkilaw ta og guy. Ay. Done, and then 2 tomatoes, and we're going to have our onion. And pag-jeep na siya mga auntie. Napay presyo. 10. So, dilagi na siya kasabot do, kalagot na dyan kuhan yung magsigig kung kuhan ba, chat ba. Gingan na nga, I'm busy, we really want to have. Why are guys like that? Why are men are so lustful? Even if you tell them you're busy, they really want to have sex video chat with you. I don't understand. I'm not here for fun. Not unless what? You can't earn money from those video calls. What will I do with you? You can't help me with my problem. You can't help me with my financial problem. And then we'll have the onion. Slice and ginger. Let's have a ginger with my let it boil mga auntie. You just have this boiled and then we'll get it. Okay, so we're done boiling the kamote tops. Unsa na kamote leaves ba ni unsa ni? And we're ready to mix, and all we need to do is just add the ginger. This one, the ginger. Going to add it. Put some tomatoes. And then mix it, and then onions. And then add vinegar and salt to taste. And we're ready to eat now. Akong i-share akong guy, mga auntie, ka dito na ako mahurot. Kami.